Ugh, I really shouldn't be doing this. But just one quick check. That's better. Tip number 1, block access completely. Install website blockers and apps like Cold Turkey or Freedom on all your devices. Remove triggers ruthlessly. Out of sight means out of mind.
Ugh, I can't do this. Wait. No, not today. Breathe in, breathe out. One page. Replace the habit with positive ones. When urges hit, go for a workout, meditate, or pursue a hobby. Exercise releases the same feel-good chemicals. Rewire your brain with healthy.
Day 1, I'm in. Day 5, still going. Day 20! 30 days, that's real progress. Consistency builds momentum. Celebrate every day free.
I'm not giving up this time. One day at a time. Every small win counts. I made it to the top. No more chains. This is just the beginning.